Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Deepthi, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. In today's video, we are going to understand the fundamentals of ServiceNow Now Assist in a very simple and easy way. Here, we cover topics are architecture flow, what are LLM, skills overview, LLM examples, use case example, and conclusion. So, let's get started. First, architecture flow. Architecture flow of Now Assist. Example scenario, Wi-Fi issue. Understand the architecture flow using simple example. Imagine an employee is facing a Wi-Fi connectivity issue. First step, user provides input. The employee types a message like, my laptop is unable to connect office Wi-Fi since morning. This is user input. Step 2, request goes to the Now Assist. Now Assist receives the request inside the ServiceNow. It understands the context of the issue and prepares the request for AI processing. Step 3, generative AI process the data. Now the generative AI layer processes the information. It checks the issue description, context for the incident, related knowledge articles, and historical tickets, and also organization data if required. Next, step 4, LLM receives the request. Next, the request is sent to the large language model, also called the LLM. The LLM analyzes the problem and generate intelligent response. Next, response is generated. The LLM may generate a response like, please reset the Wi-Fi adapter and reconnect. If the incident continues, reset VPN settings or contact network support. It may also suggest related knowledge articles. Next, step 6, response is shown to the user. Finally, the generated response is displayed back to the employee or support agent inside the ServiceNow. Here, simple architecture flow summary. User input provided. Now Assist receives request. Generate AI process data. LLM generate response. Response returns. And user receives output. This is about architecture flow. Next one, what are LLM? Here, LLM stands for Large Language Model. These are advanced AI models trained on massive amount of text data to understand and generate human-like language. LLM can understand questions, generate response, summarize instance, create content, suggest resolutions, translate language, and much more. Example of LLM includes OpenAI, GPT models, Google Gemini, etc. ServiceNow integrate with this module to provide AI-powered assistant through Now Assist. Next, what are skills in Now Assist? Let's talk about skills. In Now Assist, a skill is a specific AI capability designed to perform a particular task. You can think of skill like ready-made AI feature that help users complete work faster. Here, existing skills in Now Assist. Some common examples are instant summarization, case summarization, knowledge article generation, resolution note generation, chart summarization, virtual agent assistance, code generation for developers. Next one, sample skill use case, instant summarization. Let us take one sample example. Like suppose an incident has very long conversation between the user and support team. Instead of reading the entire ticket manually, the agent can use the instant summarization skill, and Now Assist automatically generate a short summary of the issue and key action performs, current status, resolution details. This saves the time and improve productivity of support teams. Finally, conclusion. So this is the basic overview of Now Assist fundamentals. Today we understand architecture flow, what are LLM, what are skills, existing skills, and Now Assist architecture flow summary. This is very important fundamental topic of Now Assist. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe for more ServiceNow and AI related content. See you in the next video.